guys, Tels here from JBT Trains, and today we are at Faygate Station with my brother Benjamin and my cousin John! 700 140. Horsham to Peterborough.
What? No, there's
So guys, at this station there is a waiting room, and on the other side they have a waiting room with a clock which is the same as the clock at Dolan Station. We have a bin which is half blowing in the breeze.
And a waiting room without a clock.
Yeah, we've already done that one. We have some information boards. Hang on, Joshy. We have a little bench and a wheelchair ramp. Hang on, where's the camera? Where is it? There. And on the other platform, hang on, Benji. And on the other platform, we have a massive ramp leading from the rail bridge. We have some signals which are fairly helpful at the station.
And we've got the number up there.
We do have the platform 1 sign. And where's the platform 2 sign? There it is. The help point, which doesn't work. Oyster validator. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This station's fairly... Hang on, Benji. Right, so guys, oh, Josh, you want to get a picture on the Faygate bench? Yeah, let's go. Picture on screen in 3, 2, 1.
7. Hey, 7. 159.
121. 119. 119 on the rear.
119.
To London, Victoria. Hear the season 7 coming.
3 coaches. 377
So guys, thank you for watching Trains at Faygate. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry I haven't done the outro at Faygate. It didn't save to my camera. That's why I'm doing it here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!